In this video, you will learn how to add a page to your website. Starting from the main dashboard, you can see that we have 3 of 20 potential websites created. Depending on your plan, you'll be able to see how many you have left. In order to create a new page for your website, you're going to have to first select which website you'd like to create the page for. We're going to be working in sportsfootage.com. So whether you have one or multiple websites added to your software's dashboard, go ahead and select one of them by clicking on the icon. As you can see, each page in your website will be reflected by an icon. In this case, we only have one page created, which was created when we added our website, which is a simple homepage template. You can hover here, right where it says hover here, to see page templates and simple descriptions of each page. Let's say we wanted to create a testimonial page for our website. Well, we can click on the drop-down menu, and the first option is Testimonials. By clicking Testimonials, you will automatically create a new testimonial page that can be further customized. Now you can change the text, add images, move up and down elements, and fully customize this page as you wish. To confirm that this page is created and saved, you can go ahead and navigate to the top menu bar, clicking the globe icon. This will take you back to the website that you had selected previously to add the page, and you will see that we've created a testimonials page on this website. So now we have 2 pages on our website. If you'd like to add another page, you can simply repeat the process. You can hover to see a short description of the pages, click that drop-down menu, and just select whichever page you would like to add.